Good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can convert an image or a photo on your phone gallery to JPG format. Say for example, I'll open a small photo on my mobile which is in PNG. I'll try to convert it to JPG. Okay, in both ways you can convert a photo into JPG. The first thing is through renaming renaming method, and the second is using a website. So first open Google Files app or your file manager app, simply your file manager, whatever. For most of the mobiles nowadays, Files app is the default file manager. That's the reason I'm just used Files. See here, this image is PNG image. How can I say this is PNG? I just selecting this, pressing and holding this. I'll be clicking on the images, I'll be selecting this, and we'll check the file info of this particular photo. And see here, if you can observe, images.png, this is of PNG type. What I'll do is I'll try to convert this. For to convert this, just go to the location wherever it is. Maybe it will be in the internal storage and it will be in the download folder. See here, press and hold so that it gets selected. Right click on click on this three dots at the right top corner, then click on rename here, images.png. You can rename it to like my file or something like that, no spaces or something like my file.jpg. Okay, rename. See now, this is the file didn't affect, the photo didn't affect anything. Select and click on the file info. Now see here, it is a JPEG image. And for a moment what I'll do is I'll download the same image again, and I'll try to change it using a external website. So where I got this image, I just downloaded somewhere from this Google only. Yeah, here I'll download it again, and I'll quickly convert this using a external website. Yeah, see here, this is the image what I have downloaded. I'll try to download it. Long press, download the image. See, this is the image I again downloaded. Let me clear this and go to my internal storage files. Then sorry, yeah, click on the internal storage, then click on the pictures. Sorry, I'll be just going to download. Yeah, see here, I'll just first of all quickly show you this file info. See here, this is again PNG as I freshly downloaded. For a moment, for our convenience, what I'll do is I'll just rename this quickly to another name, just to, yeah, uh, convert to JPEG. Okay, now I'll open the Chrome here on my mobile. The same procedure you can do on the desktop site also. I'll just search for the Google. Here you can use free convert app. Okay, sorry, free convert website it is, not the app. It is asking me to choose the file from the device I prefer, from the photos and the videos, and this is the one I want, and I'll be clicking on the select at the top right, and output what to which format I want. You can select any of the format. I'll choose JPG and click on convert. That's it. Right, once it is converted, you can simply download. So I have shown you two ways: simply by renaming just at your internal storage of your mobile itself, or by using a external website. See here, it is downloaded. See now, I'll just go to my files, and I'll quickly go to the download folder, and I'll select this, and I'll check the file info. See here, if you can observe, this is JPG. Okay, I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.